Okay, we're ready to go out on my Hobie Wilderness. There's a good strong headwind up the canal, so we have to use the pedals to pedal out. And right now we're going to get this thing set up. Push these pontoons out. Pull the rudder down, lock it into position. Get the feet up in the pedals. Get the oar down in place. Push out. And get ready. There we go. We got a nice strong wind out there coming from the south, so we should be able to head east and west without having to tack too much. So we'll shut this off, turn it back on as soon as we get out the end of this canal. When they say you don't get a workout with one of these, you gotta pedal. You don't just sail, especially when it's into the wind. We're gonna let this baby out, unlock the sail, pull it open, and let her rip. We're in Reynolds. Turn into the wind a little. There we go. We're gonna catch it right now. That's it. Gonna have to sit up on this baby. Yes, up here. And lean out. And we got a nice wind here. This is Reynolds Channel under the Long Beach Bridge in New York. It's still a sunny day, and it's windy because a storm is coming. And if it gets too strong, I'll just have to sail out for a minute. Ha ha! We are running now. Whoa! I got most of my weight up on the left side of the hull to keep the right side from going under, because we got some speed here. And this is the one-man Hobie Wilderness. Whoa! I don't get too many days like this out here, but when we get them, I take advantage of it. Well, that's about it. We'll just keep on going like this, and then eventually turn around and go the other way. So let's make a turn and see how we do. Sit down, turn it. Woo! And the sail will just flip over. Gotta pedal a little to get it into position again. And here we go, back. And there you see up above, that's the Long Beach trestle where the train goes. And then beyond that is the Long Beach Bridge. Oh, this is a nice run today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little run here, because I'm going to shut this down and then head out again.